Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to flip through two new sticker books from Mojo Jojoplans that are releasing today. We have series 5 of the Functional Boxes sticker book. So I'm going to flip through this one and then also Uncensored Quotes 2.0. So these are going to be available to purchase today if you're interested. I have my affiliate link down in the description, and also I will have a 10% off code also in the description. Now, I just wanted to mention, okay, so like prices. So Functional Boxes, this is actually a 40-page sticker book, so it's a little bit bigger than a normal sticker book. So this one's $21 for this book. And Uncensored Quotes is a 20-page sticker book, so a little bit less than the usual 30-page sticker books. And this one's going for $18.50 for this book. Okay, and also there are a bunch of restocks happening. Black boxes and more, gray boxes and more, and all the other functional boxes from this series are going to be released, and the sticker storage. So that's cool. So, oh, and she also mentioned that this restock of this one is small. So yeah, it's a small restock, but if you wanted to get your hands on like 1 through 4 of the functional boxes, there will be a small restock of that one. Okay, so that's all the details. Now I'm just going to flip through the books. Let's flip through the functional boxes. If you're not familiar with this series, these books have one size of box sticker books in a variety of colors. So we'll go over this one, and it's nice to have because to have just a specific size box in these, it's nice to have that in one book. Okay, so yeah, this one is series 5, and this is the size of the box, which is the vertical size boxes. Like if you have a vertical planner from the classic vertical planner, these will fit perfectly in one of those little box sections. So here's black. You get a few pages of black. This one's gonna be really quick to flip through. Red, because it's all the same size. Then this is a darker, like more maroon color. Then you get both colors together on 2 pages. Orange, then a lighter orange, and then both of the oranges. Yellow, so nice bright yellow, then a more muted one. Green, and the dark green. And then a royal blue, and then a like sky blue. Purple, and that light purple, and then a dark pink and a light pink, and then dark gray, light gray, and brown. So dark brown, light brown, and then both of the browns together. Okay, so that's it. That's the book. But again, it's nice to have these all in its own book just to grab and go. So yeah, I love this series. That is that book. And now we're going to go over Uncensored Quotes. This one has 440 sticker books. Okay. So here's the first page. Well, that didn't go as planned. Hashtag my life, adult-ish, so chill. All of these are clear. Even after Tuesday, the calendar says WTF, blood type planner. Thou shalt not try me. That's funny. So there's 2 of those. Okay, here's the next set of quotes. It's classy with a side of savage, or with a side of savage. Yeah, classy with a side savage. I'm an adult. Of course, I don't know what I'm doing. Adulting, the biggest lie I was ever told. Sticker therapy. It's funny. Hashtag I'm sick, not my problem. Plans can be canceled. Don't let your mind limit all you can do. Here's the next set. Hot as hell, WTH. Shout out to me. I'm really out here doing the damn thing. All is well. Sometimes life is hell. Yeah. I speak my mind because it hurts to bite my tongue. Keep your head high and your middle finger higher. Yeah, they're gonna be funny. Like it says, it's uncensored. So I want to say, like, some of these I just don't want to say them because, you know, monetization issues. I never know which words you're allowed to say and which ones you're not. But we got washi tape, pens, markers, stickers, you know, planner shit. Welcome to the shit show. To do, make shit happen. We're just gonna go with it. Okay, then we got RBF. I've got a heart. Wait, I've got a good heart, but this mouth. Okay, then it gets a little bit more explicit. We got WF ones here. So again, if you like having like these not only sassy, but like it says, uncensored kind of quotes, then this is definitely going to be your jam. Also, so far, all of these have been clear. Then you get some bigger versions here. Plan Nap Wine, Adultish, Blood Type Planner. We got more of those. SOB, RBF. WTF. Lots of nice big quotes. Then we have some of the smaller little ones. I don't want to. Yeah, no. Hot damn. We got some middle fingers going on. Sorry, I'm sick. It's funny. Okay, so that one's just 20 pages for that book. But that is both of the books that are releasing. There they are. Again, there's lots of restocks happening today too if you're interested, or if you've seen like a book that maybe I've used, especially these series ones, you might be able to pick that up today in the small restock of these. Because I do use Jojo's books. I feel like I use them almost in every plan with me type of, also my budgeting too, I use them. So definitely check out Jojo's shop because she's got lots of great items over there, lots of great stickers. So yeah, definitely check that out. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.